Female urination device review. The game changer for on-the-go women. When it comes to travel, camping, hiking, festivals, road trips, or any situation where clean and accessible restrooms are hard to come by, women have historically faced more discomfort and challenges than men. That's where the female urination device, FUD, comes in, a simple, reusable silicone solution that offers freedom, convenience, and hygiene. In this review, I dive into everything you need to know about this practical, discreet, and surprisingly empowering product. Design and material quality. The device is made from high-quality medical-grade silicone, which is soft, flexible, and skin-friendly. The material is BPA-free, non-toxic, and designed to be both reusable and easy to clean. It doesn't irritate sensitive skin and is safe for long-term use. Its shape is ergonomically designed to fit the female anatomy comfortably, creating a leak-proof seal that prevents spillage when used correctly. Its flexibility allows the user to fold or compress it into a small pouch or zip bag, making it easy to carry in a backpack, purse, or glove compartment. Whether you're a frequent traveler, outdoor adventurer, pregnant woman, or just someone tired of sketchy public restrooms, this compact tool fits your lifestyle. Ease of use. Using the FUD is straightforward. The device is designed to be held gently against the body, forming a snug seal that channels urine away from the body without mess. It allows women to urinate standing up, even with clothes on. Just unzip or adjust clothing as needed. With a little practice, most users report mastering it quickly and gaining confidence after a few tries at home. Unlike many disposable alternatives, this reusable urinal comes with a discreet storage bag, making it easy to keep things sanitary when you're on the move. After use, a simple rinse with water, or a wipe down with tissue if water isn't available, is enough until it can be washed more thoroughly. Hygiene and portability. One of the standout features is its hygiene factor. Because it eliminates contact with dirty toilet seats or questionable outdoor surfaces, the FUD offers a far safer and cleaner option. It's a must-have for festivals, airports, porta-potties, and even hospitals. It's also an empowering tool for those with medical conditions or mobility challenges that make sitting or squatting difficult. The included storage case or drawstring bag keeps the device discreet and hygienic during transport. It's lightweight, odor-resistant, and doesn't absorb moisture. Simply wash it with soap and warm water at the end of the day, and it's ready for reuse. Who is this for? This female urinal is ideal for a wide range of users. Outdoor enthusiasts, campers, hikers, backpackers, travelers, especially in areas with limited restroom access, drivers, long-haul truckers, road trippers, rideshare drivers, pregnant women, who may find it hard to squat or sit comfortably, elderly individuals, or people recovering from surgery, festival goers and concert lovers, tired of unsanitary porta-potties. It's also a fantastic addition to your emergency kit, bug-out bag, or glove box for those unexpected situations. Pros: soft, medical-grade silicone, ergonomic, leak-proof design, easy to clean and reuse, portable and discreet, suitable for a wide range of women and scenarios, environmentally friendly alternative to disposable options. Cons: may require a few practice runs for first-time users. Needs cleaning supplies if used frequently while traveling. Final thoughts. The reusable female urination device is a simple innovation that brings real, everyday value. It's a thoughtful solution to a real problem, giving women the same convenience men have had for years when nature calls in inconvenient places. With a well-designed shape, durable silicone material, and practical portability, it checks all the boxes for hygiene, usability, and eco-friendliness. Whether you're navigating crowded public restrooms, camping off the grid, or just want peace of mind on long road trips, this FUD is a must-have addition to your travel or emergency gear. Once you try it, you'll wonder how you ever went without it.